So I purchased the property. It was a conventional mortgage. It's a conventional loan. I put about, I think, 5% down when I first purchased it. Of course, you guys know I am an agent, so I was able to use some of my commission on the purchase of the property as well. So that was a plus for me. All right, what's up, you guys? Thank you for tuning in to my YouTube channel. What's up, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe, smash that like button for the YouTube algorithms. In today's video, I want to talk to you about my first property that I purchased, and right here behind me, this is the first property that I purchased, and I bought this house when I was 23 years old. I know you guys hear me talk about this a lot, but I still own the property. How I went through the process: I have a conventional mortgage on this property. I rent this property out. I've been renting it out for over 10 years now. This property right here is located in Tuscaloosa, Alabama. I purchased this house years ago, and I have tenants in the property. This is a great area, great school zone. Also, it's just great for families as well. This property has been rented for years, and I have been making nothing but profits off of this property right here. Now, when I purchased this property, it was a conventional mortgage. I put 5% down on this property. I am also a real estate agent, so I was able to use my commission towards the purchase of this property as well. This property right here has over $100,000 in equity right now to this day in this property. All right, so let's do the math on this property. I rented it out for 10 years. And in 10 years, that's 120 months. So 120 months times 1,300, which is the rental amount, and that gives me $156,000 in revenue. So I just wanted to break down and show you guys and take you back to my first property that I purchased. When I first purchased this property at the age of 23, I had no idea that this property would generate this type of revenue that it has done for me so far. I've owned this property for 15 years now, and it has done amazing for me. So I just wanted to show you guys exactly where it started for me, right here in Tuscaloosa, Alabama. This is how I've been able to scale my portfolio and build it up. Also, real estate is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time and it takes patience. I'd like to thank you guys for tuning in to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. I have more content on the way just like this. Peace.